Okay. All right. Yeah, that's Minister Stevens. Like I said, I asked him not to do it. Oh, you going on YouTube. Sister Price, look what I told him.
Where the gloves at?
Oh, yeah. Oh, and for the record, in '06, he went skate, broke his foot. I mean, fractured it real bad. But this is 2011, and it's for his son, you know. You know what I'm saying, Minister Stevens? Hey, this for your son. You know, so what if you break a leg? You know what I'm saying? Joshua will always remember this.
No practice swinging one time. Oh, that's good.
All right, we should get lift off here in just a couple of seconds.
Let him come by Juanita Car.
By where?
By Juanita Car.
You gonna tell me when you're ready?
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
That's good.
You ready?
Spiderman got a gun.
Yeah, yeah.
Spiderman got a six-pack. Spiderman got some chucks on.
Ready?
Go get it.
Wait. Hold up.
Come on, Spider with the chucks on.
I swear that ball.
All right.
Y'all better not laugh about ball. Come on.
Hey, somebody go get my grandma. Don't swing yet. Don't swing yet.
It's for his son right there. And I just want to let you all know for the record that if this go bad, I have been told to keep the cameras rolling. We will not cut away from the action. We will stay here on the scene. We will keep it rolling until. For his son right there in the jersey, the number 10, LSU. And I repeat, in '06, he shattered his ankle skating. But not that, you know, we hope anything bad happens, just for the record. They have went and got his grandmother to watch this.